The principle of word construction. Explain why the word is written in this way. This character means two people who are closely related, and the two lines cross, which means a close relationship. This word means three people who are closely related, and the relationship of friendship is as good as wearing the same pair of pants. The meaning of this word can be seen from the shape, no need to explain. This word means two people together. A vertical line means one person. This word means three people together. A vertical line means one person, and a horizontal line means connecting three people together. This word means two people in the distance. A vertical line means one person. This word means three people. One of them is sideways, and the other two are together. This word means two people. One of them is yourself, and the other is someone else. This word means pointing with a finger pointing at one's own nose. The lower part represents the fingers. This character means to point your finger at your own head, and you can understand it by looking at the shape of the character. He means around, and he means himself. This word means that a person spreads his hands and feet to show that something is big. This character means that a thing can pass through a small gap, and the vertical lines on both sides represent the gap. This word means a lot of meat stacked together. Describe a lot of things. This word means that many things are stacked together. To describe a lot of things. This word means that there is only one person standing there, and only his own shadow is with him, means only a little.